Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today here I'm again with another review of IntelliZoom panel, which is again a survey site. If you guys are interested in knowing more about legitimate survey sites online, you can check out my playlist which I have created with a heap of videos on legitimate money making survey websites. So you can check out my playlist which will be in the description box below. You can use the link. Now without dragging, we'll start off with the video. Now this is the website guys. It's called IntelliZoom panel, which is definitely a survey based website where you can make money answering surveys. So this is how the homepage will be looking like. I'll be showing you how this whole website is working and everything, pros and cons of this website and whether it's going to be working or not. Now starting off, this website is actually more about surveying a website, like moreover it's your opinion based upon the website that they are asking you to test. This survey website will be like they will be asking you to record in some point of survey, like you have to record your voice or record both your audio and video. So that is how this website is going to be. Now here they have also given some FAQs, which I thought is actually a good point in looking through it, because I had some questions on my mind before moving on with this signing up process and all. Now, as you can see on the screen, these FAQ questions answers are actually to the point and apt. That's how the whole website is working. Now, as how the first question is like the duration of the study might be varying according to its um, difficulty level. So according to the difficulty level, pay rate and the survey might be varying. So an average survey which is like answering questions will have around $2 payout, and which will take around 5 minutes maximum. So something like it's going to be a complicated one, which is asking you to record audio, which will be like testing website questions, which will be like speaking aloud what you're thinking. So something like walking through inside the website using it and something like that, which will ask you to record audios, and some questions might be asking you to record the video as well. So these type of questions will be ranging from $10 to $20, which will also be taking 10 to 20 minutes of maximum, and I think that's pretty good payout. Now signing up, you will be asked with your first name and last name, giving your email address, and after confirming your email address, you will also be asked, might be asked for phone number. You have to confirm and verify your phone number, and you will be inside your dashboard. Now you have to set up your profile in order to get more number of tests. Now I just have practice test in my dashboard, as you can see. So I will be telling you about this more in our advantages and disadvantages of this website. Now you have to connect your PayPal in order to get your payout. In your profile, you will be filling out your demographic details. I haven't shown you how I have filled out my profile because it has some major personal things like address, what you are up to, where is your location and everything, age, gender, qualification, something like that. What are languages you know? So these things. So you have to fill out all these things in order to get the best match of surveys for you. Now before moving on with the pros and cons of this website, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now, pros and cons of this website. First, I will start with the pros. This website has no threshold, like you don't have to maintain any $100 in order to get your payout. Only for the first time withdrawal money, you will be asked to wait for 21 days for the confirmation of the account, and after which, in 2 to 3 days of even getting $2 payout withdrawal, you will be given money directly to your PayPal account in 2 to 5 business days. So that's how easy it is. Now the second point is you will be getting a very good payout of around $10 for spending 20 minutes. So I think that's a great amount of money for very less time. And also the third point is there is no other complaints on regarding no payout, or they aren't giving the payout, something like that. So they are paying it on time. Now talking about cons, you just have one major con in this website, and that is inconsistency. This website will never let you know when you are going to get a test. You have to be on time sharp according to your notification. You should click on the survey and take the test, or else it's like first come first serve basis. Someone who have clicked on to the invite will be allowed to do that, and you will not be getting paid. So they won't be giving you regular test. You will be getting very rare test in this website. You cannot expect when you are going to get it, but you have to make sure that you are always on time and looking out, checking out for the notifications, something like that. So now the baseline is, this is not like my cup of tea, because I'm a person who is like needs a consistent amount of money every day that I work. So this website is like, if you are interested, if you're not like my type person, then I think you can opt this one. This is legit, you can get money, a great payout, but it will be in a rare basis. You won't know when you will be getting a survey and all. So if you are interested in making that someday money, then you can opt this website. So that's all about this website, guys. If you are interested, you can try it out. The link will be below in my description box. I have given it. So if you're interested, you can try it out. Whenever the test is available, you can take it and make money from this website. Now if you are interested, you can even comment below if you want more videos on this type. I will be happy to make a lot of videos in this genre. So meet you all in the next video, guys. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Meet you all in the next video, guys. Bye and thank you.